Hi, today we are going to learn how to draw a chef mouse, and we are going to use a different kind of design, more simple and even more cartoony. Now, let's begin. So, today we are going to draw a character that is simpler and it has an animal feature and it has a human feature. We are going to draw a chef that is also a mouse. So we are going to start from a simple shape, something like that. It doesn't have to have the anatomy of a mouse. We are going to play with the shape. But now we are going to have the nose of a mouse. So just a larger nose and a black nose in front. Drawing cartoony characters is all about stylizing, and you can use any shape and form. And we are going to end this shape with a funny mouth and funny teeth. And we are going to extend the mouth and add 2 front teeth here. And let's fill the mouth with the shading, with black color. And now let's erase this little line here from the shape above. Now let's draw the eyes. We are going to make a funny chef looking this direction. We are going to make cartoony pupils. And when you make cartoony pupils, you kind of keep them a little bit cross-eyed. That's because they reminds us of the pupils of children. And children are cute, so everything that is cartoony looks more like a child, even if it's a grown-up chef mouse. So let's now give him some arms. To easily add the arms, you can just draw a line first and another line for the hand and another line here and maybe a sphere because we want him to hold a frying pan making pancakes. So we're going to just tilt the frying pan and let's shade it right away. And now we can immediately make a pancake flying in the air. Like that. Give it some texture, like some typical black spots of burnt dough, delicious pancake, and even some movement. These 2 lines symbolize movement in cartooning. Now let's have some legs, and we are going to start with just stick figure, just lines to symbolize where the legs are going to be. Let's make some features that are typically for a mouse. So round ears on each side and just a little curvature here for the ears. Now let's define the arms. We are going to make triangular arms. So just add another line and some fingers like that. And we are almost done. Let's draw the pants. Just do the same thing, triangular pants, and just maybe give him some nice shoes as a chef. Something like that, and shade them with black. Now, let's give him some chef costume. So we'll give him a coat with white collar, as chefs usually have. and it can be up here or down here. Now this is how I come up with this one, but there are thousands other ways of making designs, and you can follow me if you want to know more tips and tricks of how to draw cartoony characters easily. Just follow this channel. There are a lot of more videos coming up, or you can find my lectures on Udemy and Skillshare. They are right up on the profile picture. And now let's have him have maybe some funny pants. Just add some stripes, because this chef is a free spirit. He doesn't have a complete uniform. He's kind of breaking the rules. So play with the costume, play with the design to give the character personality. When you give your character personalities, it is easier for your viewers to read, and it becomes even more fun, because we like to see personalities in people and animals and cartoony characters. Now let's give him some whiskers on the other side, and 3 whiskers on this side. And of course, a chef would not be a chef if he doesn't have a chef's hat. Let's add that first with 2 lines, as if making a rectangular, and then just add a cloud on top of that. Now let's shade it a little bit, just to make it look more 3-dimensional, and shade a little bit on that side and here under the arms, so it looks as if one shape is in front of the other. And what is not a mouse if it doesn't have a big tail? So just let's add the tail, 2 curvy lines, and let's shade it as if it is gray and it is at the back. Every time you want to push something to the back, just shade it. So we are going to shade a little bit around the eyes to make the pupils and the eyes just stick out. This is a little bit to think about as a rule of thumb. And now add some shading under the character, so to have him stand on the ground. And that's it. If you want to follow me, just subscribe, and more videos are coming.